What is the most insane sandwich you have ever seen or had? Well, today I am going to blow your mind, so let's get saucy. That's right, foodie friends. I'm going to make a fried chicken sandwich, and instead of bread or buns, I'm going to use some personal size pizzas. And we're going to add some other fun things, ranch dressing, maybe some hot Cheetos, pickled jalapenos, who knows what else. So let's get right into it. All right, so I had a boneless, skinless chicken thigh that I just seasoned on both sides with some salt and cracked black pepper. And then I mixed up a bit of a dredging station. First, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and into that I mixed 1 packet of ranch dressing mix or seasoning and a little bit of cracked black pepper. Mix that up good, and then to my next plate I added some more flour with a little bit of ranch dressing and some water, just gradually adding the water until I got the consistency that I wanted, something kind of like buttermilk or an egg wash. So then I just alternately dipped the chicken into the flour and the batter until I had a nice coating on there. And I'm gonna set that aside for about an hour so that coating has time to adhere. Meanwhile, I'm going to fill my fryer with oil because we're gonna deep fry the chicken, but we are going to use the air fryer to cook the pizzas. So the box said about 6 minutes at 400 degrees for the pizzas, but they took a little bit longer than that. Just keep an eye on them. You know, when they start to get nice and golden brown on the top and bottom, they're done. All right, now that everything's done, I put the chicken on a wire rack to drain a little bit, and let's build the sandwich. So I'm gonna first take one of my personal pizzas here, and onto that I'm gonna add a couple of slices of pickled jalapeno. So just throw some of those on here. I'm gonna give it some nice kick and bite. Now on top of that, I had a little bit of queso left over in the fridge, so I'm going to spread some of that on here too. And you are thinking, this is ridiculous, and so am I, but I bet it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna go on with this amazing fried chicken thigh. Look how beautiful that is, golden brown and delicious. Let's get a little, yeah, crispy. All right, to that I am going to add some ranch dressing. Why not, right? There's ranch in the powder on the mix, there's ranch in the batter, so put some ranch dressing on there, and then finish it off with some flaming hot Cheetos, because, you know, what else would you put on there? And then, of course, our other bun or our other pizza. I mean, what is this? No one needs to eat this. We get a nice cross section. Oh, hear how crispy all that is. Let's see what that looks like on the inside. Come on. That's gonna be so stupid. I can't believe I made this. Okay, so let's go in for a taste of this. How am I gonna do this? No words, guys. This is just as ridiculous as it looks. It tastes so good. The chicken is so crispy, along with those Cheetos that I put in there, the crunch, spice from that, and that little bit of jalapeno. Does it need the queso? No. Do I want it? Yes. So listen, guys, as always, thanks so much for joining me here on Getting Saucy with Chef Lynn. You can follow me across all social media at Chef Lynn Wheeler. My website is cheflynnwheeler.com, and check the description box. I'm just going to put how to make this down there. I'm not going to put it up on the website this time, but I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to finish this sandwich. Nobody needs to finish this sandwich, though. Mm.